Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So welcome to our vlog. Ayan guys, let's go in Osnabrück. After 15 days na walang day off. Ayan. At guys, our favorite KFC. Oh my God.
Osnabrück.
At my Pepsi. Ayan guys, happy anniversary. Simple celebration and happy Mother's Day.
That's it.
Ayan, crispy chicken.
Dips, c'è dips.
Devi pagare. So guys, my Boko in Osnabrück. City Fest. Sentiamo stasera c'è come si chiama LT. Itong Tiger Mint. Di qua? So yeah, let's have some sweet crepe. So we have crepes, yummy. Favorite donut. Hey guys, have your crepes. Yeah guys, after namin coffee time with crepes, dito na tayo. Hanap si Habi ng t-shirt. Yan ang mga paborito ng mga t-shirt. Diba? Ang ganda lahat yan. Mahilig kasi siya sa music. So may hinahanap siyang pangalan ng band na hindi namin makita-kita. So kaya, silpin ko na si Lola. So ito guys, look. Cup, my favorite. Ang maganda. Ayan, magko-close na ang shop. Ayan, minadali namin lumabas. So, ayan guys, nakakita nga naman si Lola ng bulaklak na addict na naman. So, guys, ayan. Ito tayo sa kabilang shopping mall. So, hindi na ako nag-video sa loob kasi ang hirap mag-video dito sa Germany. May privacy. So, yun, pabalik na kami ng hotel at gabi na at kami pupunta sa Barangay. So, ito na naman and pinahal namin nag-enjoy ang mga kabataan. Diba? Very fun. Swerte kami dahil mayroon palang May Festival dito sa Osnabrück. So, haya. Enjoy lang si Lola. Happy 3 days. dagwa. Antipasti. Oh guys, look our antipasti.
It had begun to know me, but then I know it's growing strong. Was it the spring?
Good morning, Osnabrück. Ayan guys. Hanap tayo ng breakfast. Breakfast sarado. So guys, we're now at Andronaco. Ito ay grocery for all Italian products. You can find here in Osnabrück. We came here every time we need something for our restaurant. So guys, here are different kinds of pasta, different product name, and some are handmade from Italian. So different sizes, different types of pasta. Artigiano is handmade from Pamilian fabric in Italy. So we have also here different kinds of balsamico cream. And in this section we have lots of different kinds of rice, different product of rice. Ayan guys, may risotto. Dito ulit tayo sa may pasta, iba-ibang flavor. Ayan, ang daming pagpipilian. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. gabi, naghahanap kung anong kailangan. Yan guys. Dito ang grappa. Ayan. The best grappa is here. So we have limoncello is citron lemon grappa. Ayan. Wow, strawberry, fragolino. Ayan guys, maraming vine dito sa ibang region ng Italy. At meron din dito iba-ibang klase ng sek. Sek is prosecco. There's a lot of different products from Italy. Ayan, from Liguria, Sicilian vine. It's the